action verbs. We like to jump and dance, spin around. Great job!
Jumpling, walk.
I am eating. I am drinking.
Sleeping.
Sitting. Standing. Clapping.
Dancing. I'm crying. I'm crying.
Look at the size of that flower. It's bigger than my head. I wonder if the butterfly likes it.
Listening. Writing.
Reading. Drawing.
Playing. So clap your hands and sing with me. Let the music set you free. Oh, sing, sing. Climbing. Swimming.
I am opening a door.
I am closing a door.
I am calling my dad. My dad. Great job! Subscribe, Tingo Tales!